Woly Combi Cleaner. The special cleaning foam for all leathers, synthetics and textiles of all colors. Shake well before use. Hold the can vertically and spray the cleaner onto a sponge or a cloth. Check the compatibility of the material on an inconspicuous spot. Rub the cleaner first on stained parts, then on the whole surface. With sensitive materials, just dab the material. Leave to dry. Polish smooth leather with a cloth. Roughen suede leather areas with the Woly suede leather brush. The powerful and gentle cleaning formula with lime oil removes dirt, stains, salt and water borders effortlessly and revives colors. Woly Combi Cleaner cleans all materials effectively through the special cleaning formula with lime oil. Woly Combi Care. The high-quality care spray for all leather types, synthetics and textiles. Its special protection formula provides effective protection against moisture and dirt. Shake well before use. Hold the can vertically and spray evenly from a circa 15 to 20 cm distance onto the clean and dry surface. Leave to dry. Polish smooth leather areas with a cloth. Roughen suede leather areas with the Woly suede leather brush or a sponge. Woly Combi Care is suitable for use on materials of all colors. The balanced combination of waxes and wild rose oil protects and nourishes the material and freshens up colors. Woly Combi Care treats and protects textiles and leather through its combination of precious waxes and wild rose oil.